It's May 8th, and we got another load of chips. We just dropped it all down at the end. Here I moved brush. Put a load of chips next to the motorhome tomorrow. Got some nice looking chips. This area here, since I got everything moved this morning. Maybe we'll work behind the barn. Well, it's about 7:45, so I'm gonna call it a day. Got a lot of wood chips moved. Not too much in the pile left over there. So, been a good day. Got this area here covered. That's part of the barn yard area. And extended lane. Get it wide enough. It's 12 foot now, which is what's needed to get in here with a pickup truck when I put the fence up. I still have this area here. I've been moving a little more soil out of it. I want to make sure it's deep enough with a loading dock and where it will drain on here. Well, anyway, calling it a day, and I'll be back here tomorrow. Catch you next time. Thanks for watching.